In the chilling depths of the Siberian winter, scientists are tracking a silent threat. As migratory birds arrive from their southern journey, they carry with them the potential for a new pandemic. But this time, they may not be alone. Artificial intelligence is being trained to identify the next pandemic before it takes flight, leveraging an array of cutting-edge tools and techniques that could one day save countless lives. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI epidemiology, where machines are learning to predict and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Early warning systems. One of the most promising applications of AI in disease surveillance is the development of early warning systems that can analyze vast amounts of real-time data to identify potential outbreaks before they become widespread. For example, AI algorithms can monitor daily updates on animal migration patterns, climate change, deforestation, and other environmental factors to assess the risk of disease emergence. By spotting potential outbreaks early, public health officials can quickly mobilize resources to prevent or mitigate the spread of disease. Social media surveillance. Another exciting development is the use of natural language processing and NLP to monitor social media for unusual reports of symptoms such as fever, cough, and diarrhea. By analyzing social media posts, AI algorithms can detect outbreaks of infectious diseases before they are officially reported to public health authorities. For example, during the 2014 to 2016 Zika virus epidemic in Brazil, researchers found that Twitter data could accurately predict the spread of the virus across different regions, potentially allowing for earlier and more targeted interventions. Zoonotic threat prediction. Zoonotic diseases, which are transmitted from animals to humans, account for more than 75% of all emerging infectious diseases. To predict the risk of zoonotic disease spillover, machine learning models such as IBM's GeoAI are being developed to analyze environmental and ecological data such as species distribution, climate, and land use. By identifying areas with a high risk of animal-human disease transmission, public health officials can prioritize surveillance and control efforts, reducing the likelihood of outbreaks. Genomic forecasting. With the COVID-19 pandemic, genomic forecasting has become a critical tool for predicting the spread of new viruses and their potential impact on public health. By comparing the genetic makeup of different viral strains, AI algorithms can forecast how quickly a virus may spread and whether it can evade existing vaccines or treatments. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, researchers used genomic data to track the emergence of new variants such as Delta and Omicron and predict their growth trajectory. Supercomputing simulations. Supercomputing simulations are another powerful tool for pandemic prevention. By creating complex models of disease spread, these simulations can help researchers test different intervention strategies and identify the most effective course of action. For example, the Los Alamos National Laboratory, LAND, has developed a pandemic supercomputer that can simulate millions of potential outbreak scenarios and evaluate the impact of various public health measures. Wastewater, AI monitoring. Wastewater surveillance is a promising new approach to detecting the presence of pathogens in a population before they cause clinical illness. By analyzing wastewater samples, AI algorithms can identify the genetic material of viruses and bacteria, providing an early warning sign of potential outbreaks. This approach has been shown to be effective in detecting the seasonal influenza virus and the SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19 in wastewater, making it possible to track the virus's evolution and anticipate surges in cases before they occur. Antibiotic resistance tracking. Antibiotic resistance is a growing threat to public health, making it essential to identify areas where superbugs are most likely to emerge and spread. By analyzing data on antibiotic prescriptions in hospitals, AI algorithms can predict the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, allowing public health officials to implement targeted interventions such as enhanced surveillance and infection control measures. Climate change linkage. Climate change is altering the distribution and abundance of disease-carrying organisms such as mosquitoes, ticks, and rodents, leading to the emergence of new infectious diseases in previously unaffected areas. By analyzing the correlation between rising temperatures and the spread of mosquito-borne diseases such as malaria and dengue, AI algorithms can help predict the geographic expansion of these diseases and inform public health interventions to mitigate their impact. Whose AI toolkit? The World Health Organization, who has developed an AI toolkit called BlueDot and deployed it in collaboration with Metabiota to forecast global outbreak risks by analyzing vast amounts of geospatial data, news reports, and scientific literature. BlueDot uses natural language processing and machine learning to identify potential disease outbreaks and alert public health officials. As AI continues to advance, it is clear that it has the potential to revolutionize the way we prevent and control infectious diseases. However, it is also important to consider the ethical challenges associated with using AI for disease surveillance, such as the balance between public health benefits and individual privacy, particularly around location data. As we continue to explore the use of AI for pandemic prevention, it will be crucial to ensure that these systems are developed and implemented responsibly, taking into account the potential impact on individuals and communities. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI for global health security are enormous. By harnessing the power of AI, we can work towards a future where pandemics are detected and controlled before they become a global threat, protecting the health and safety of everyone.